Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox Rivals video. In today's video, I'm going to show you all of the newest and fully working Rivals codes for the latest Update 21. These codes can give you free keys, exclusive rewards, skins, weapon wraps, and many other awesome in-game items completely free. I've collected all of the latest active and newly released Rivals codes, so make sure you stay until the end because you don't want to miss any limited time rewards. Every code featured in this video has been tested and confirmed working after the latest Update 21. Some codes may expire without warning, so make sure you redeem them as soon as possible. Before we start, I'm also hosting a special giveaway for Roblox Rivals players. A few lucky winners will receive free keys, exclusive rewards, premium items, and other amazing prizes. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Roblox username below. Also, make sure you watch the full video because only active viewers will have a chance to win. As you can see on the screen, I currently have over 1 million Robux, and yes, these giveaways are completely real. Many viewers have already won rewards, and you could be the next winner. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the newest Roblox Rivals codes from Update 21. If you don't know how to redeem codes, don't worry, it's very easy. Open Roblox Rivals, tap Shop, select More, and then press Codes. Scroll down to the code redemption box and enter each code exactly as shown in the video. Make sure you type every code correctly because some codes are case sensitive. Follow along and redeem all the available codes while they're still active. With that said, let's begin redeeming all of the newest and fully working Roblox Rivals codes from Update 21 right now.